There, this is Dr. C. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. As the continuation of the previous video, we're going to see in detail about the wasteland reclamation. So, what is this wasteland? It's a process of turning, that is, reclamation. Wasteland reclamation is nothing but the process of turning the barren, degraded, or unproductive land into a fertile land which can be ecologically stable and productive land. Due to the rapid urbanization, what we're facing nowadays, industrialization and unsustainable agriculture practices, vast tracts of the land lose their fertility and become unfertile. So in this video, we're going to see about the introduction of the wasteland reclamation, then causes for the wasteland reclamation, objectives of wasteland reclamation, methods, and as we introduce about the wasteland, which we have already seen, the land which is not in use. So the land which is unproductive, unfit for cultivations or other economic uses. So there are different types of lands. It can be divided into two types, uncultivable land and the cultivable land. So what is this uncultivable land? These lands are not suitable for cultivation, grazing, settlements and infrastructure development. Example, barren lands, hill slopes, stony or gully lands, deserts, etc. Cultivable lands, these lands are used for cultivation, grazing and other agriculture purposes. Example, degraded forest lands, waterlogged lands, saline lands, etc. So what is the causes for wasteland formation? It's because of the soil erosion, deforestation, waterlogging, and salinity. So this soil erosion, they remove the fertile soil, deforestation, of course. These also are responsible for the removal of the fertile soil, waterlogging, and the salinity when the land is of too much of salt, then it is not you. It makes the land that is waste. Excessive use of pesticides, construction of dams, overexploitation of the natural resources, sewage and industrial waste, mining, growing demands for the fuel, fodder wood, and food causes the degradation and the loss of soil productivity. So, what are the objectives of wasteland reclamation? To improve the physical structure and the quality of the soil, to prevent soil erosion, to avoid overexploitation of the natural resources, to conserve the biological resources. Land development and leaching. For reclamation of the salt affected soil, it is necessary to remove the salts. So salt is removed by leaching. It can be done by applying excess amount of water. The salt affected field is bounded in small plots and leaching is done. Drainage. This is a request for the waterlogged soil reclamation where the excess water is removed by artificial drainage. Irrigation practices, surface irrigation with precise land leveling, smoothing, and efficient hydraulic design help reduce the waterlogging and salinity. Thin and frequent irrigation have been found to be more useful for better crop yield. Gypsum amendment. So this amendment of the soil with the gypsum is recommended for reducing the soil solidity as calcium of gypsum replaces sodium from the exchangeable sites. Green manures, fertilizers and biofertilizers. The application of the farmyard manure or the nitrogen fertilizers has also been found to improve saline soils. So with the soils have more salt content in them, these saline soils. Blue-green algae have been found to be quite promising as a biofertilizer for improving salt-affected soils. Social forestry programs. So these programs mostly involve the strip plantation on the road, rail and canal sites, rehabilitation of degraded forest lands from the forestry, wasteland forest development, etc. Afforestation and reforestation, planting of trees in the wastelands for the commercial purpose, that is natural regeneration, and also the artificial regeneration. It involves providing surface cover. Live green legumes have been used successfully as a crop cover. Mulching, the organic materials, is applied to the soil surface to conserve the soil moisture. Changing agriculture practices. Growing multiple crops in the same place makes the soil fertile. The methods of crop rotation, multicropping, intercropping, strip cropping, conservation of the water on land. The field moisture availability can be enhanced by terracing, trenching, contouring, improving the percolation, and enhance the soil moisture. On land, bioventing, mineralizations are few of the processes that can be done. Thank you.